Hello guys, it's your boy Forex Prince again on another video, and on this video I'm going to share with you guys the process of installing the latest bot known as the 6-figure bot. I hope everybody listens carefully and also understand how to install the bot. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video. Sorry, I'm in the wrong MT4. Let's get into MT4. So first thing first, guys, go into your data folders, open data folders. This is your data folders, guys. So you go into your data folders. After clicking that, you go into NQL4, then you go into experts. So guys, this is the tricky part. You have to actually go to where you have your bot. Let's say, for example, if you have your bot in the downloads, you go to downloads and you just copy the bot. Copy the bot, then you go back and paste it in the experts. But as you can see here, I already have the 6-figure bot in here, so this is just for illustration purposes. It's just to help you guys with installation. So you go back after pasting it, and then you actually right click on the expert and refresh. So after refreshing, you actually drag the bot, which is the 6-figure bot short snipes. Let me just start with a new chart not to confuse my current settings, because I already have the bot running. I don't want to interfere with it. So let's open BTC USD, Bitcoin. So you actually take the bot, drag it onto the charts. Here is where you see the information of the bot. This is actually the 6-figure bot short snipes version 1, and it's actually from us, the FX Bank R. So here you actually tick everything on the commons. This is the commons that I usually tell you guys. You actually allow everything. So you enable alerts, but it all depends on you whether you want to enable it or not. But when it comes to allow DLL imports and allow modifications of signals and allow live trading, you actually have to make sure that you actually check all these boxes, guys, because if you don't allow live trading, the bot might not work. And on the inputs, let me teach you a little bit about this function, guys. This is the magic number of the bot, which cannot be changed. So you cannot do anything to change this number right here, which is known as the magic number, because this is actually the number that the bot is identified with, just in case the bot gets stolen or anything like that. It's very hard for them to actually change this number, or they cannot change this number, so we can actually get the bot or identify the bot. So the volume size is actually the size of your lot size, okay, and the volume upper limit is also the size of your lot size. So let's say, for example, your volume size is actually 1.10 and your volume upper limit is also, not 1.10 but 0.10, and your volume upper limit is also 0.10. The bot will actually take trades from 0.01 to 0.010. depending on how strong the signal is. So all you have to know is both of these two, the volume size and the volume upper limit, actually work hand in hand for it to actually take a trade through the signal that you actually installed here, or that you actually placed on the input. So but one other thing that you have to know is the volume upper limit cannot be less than, I mean, it cannot be more than the volume size. So the volume size is to be greater than the volume upper limit at all times. So this is stop loss in pips. That is easy, guys. You already know stop loss in pips. Take profit in pips. You already know this is actually your take profit. And now you get the volume size and upper limit again, because the first one is for the buys and the second one is for the sells, or maybe vice versa. I'm not sure which one is the sells and which one is the buys, but it's for the buys and sells. That's all you have to know. So the cycles, as I told you guys, is actually for the number of trades you want the bot to take. You can actually change this and actually place 4 trades, just like you can change everything else that is in this value column. So you can actually change the number of trades you want to take per signal, and that is a bonus, guys, because you can actually get more money out of a single trade. Instead of it just taking a single trade, it can take more trades, but you have to make sure that you have enough capital to actually maintain, or to avoid your account being blown by just one simple trade that is actually traded with multiple trades at once. So with that, if you made any changes here, you actually just press save. I hope this doesn't take as long. You press save. So as you can see here, I've got several settings that I actually made, but in order for you to save a new setting, you actually just have to write whatever your setting name is. You can call it Prince, you can call it W, and then you save it. Then you can actually press OK. Then boom, guys, your bot should be working. It should be written working here. So what other factors can actually inhibit you from getting trades? Just make sure that your auto trading is on. When it's red, it's not on, but when it's green, then it's on and ready to work. So that is all you need to know, guys. That is all with the installation process when it comes to the 6-figure bot. It's your boy Forex Prince again. See you on another video.